Most people panic when their MoneyLion deposit does not show up. They assume the money is lost or something is broken forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the deposit is not missing, it is just delayed or stuck in processing. In this video, you will learn why MoneyLion deposits fail in 2026, how to fix them step by step, and how to prevent it from happening again. Let's break it down simply. MoneyLion works through partner banks and payroll systems. That means your deposit depends on multiple systems working together. Your employer, the bank, and MoneyLion all have to sync correctly. Now here's where it gets interesting. When a deposit is delayed, it is usually not MoneyLion itself causing the issue. It is often your payroll timing, bank processing delays, or incorrect account details. So let's go step by step. First, check your direct deposit status. If you are like Alex, who gets paid every 2 weeks, your employer may have sent the payment later than expected. Many people assume payday means instant arrival, but banks still need processing time. But here's the problem most users miss. Even if your employer sends the money on time, weekends and holidays can delay deposits by 1 to 2 business days. Now check your MoneyLion account details. Make sure your routing number and account number are correct. A small typo can cause a full rejection or delay. Next, look at your bank connection. MoneyLion uses connected banking systems, so if your linked account is disconnected or outdated, deposits may not sync properly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the money is actually pending, not missing. That means it is already on the way, but still being verified between systems. In that case, no action is needed except waiting a short period. In a minute, here's the fastest way to figure out exactly where your deposit is stuck. Check your payroll portal first. If it shows processed, the issue is likely between the bank and MoneyLion. If it shows pending, your employer has not released the funds yet. Now let's talk about fixes. If your deposit is delayed, restart your app, refresh your account connection, and double-check your direct deposit setup. If everything looks correct, contact support with your transaction details so they can trace the payment. But there is one more important point. Users like John often fix the issue just by re-verifying their direct deposit setup with their employer. That resets the routing flow and prevents future delays. Here is the bottom line. MoneyLion deposit issues are almost always caused by timing, payroll delays, or account syncing problems. Not missing money. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance fixes in 2026.